random jar in the
It's
cafeteria.
my fucking workshop. It's my fucking in case Jerry jar.
Ashley comes back to the aid that was provided.
Yeah,
Okay,
Melody was down there, and you asked Melody, and Melody spread the word.
I handed Jerry a cookie. I'm like, this is how I get him to listen. And
She starts nibbling on the cookie while reading. Yes, I know how to clean.
All right then. You...
Ow!
Understood?
Oh, my head!
I shall.
What the fuck was that, Castaway?
What was that?
He's like a vacuum.
Oh.
He said,
Very well. Then it is your duty to keep the ship clear. She
My
would rather
fucking
die
head
before doing that.
hurts. Oh my god, I feel like I just popped a fucking blood vessel in my head.
Why?
Oh!
I'm aware.
you're not gonna have an ender chest, bro.
What happened to soup?
It's a phrase, Gundam.
It's a phrase, Gundam.
Out
Genuine
a bucket of
question,
soup.
by the way. Where's the soup?
No, it's the saying. Soup's on is a saying.
No,
And I am
he's saying.
saying
Castaway, you there?
Yes,
I don't
There
think
you
that's
go. Castaway reacts negatively to your skeletal face.
It's a good thing I don't understand his English.
Oh god,
Anton,
Anton's
you're
Oh,
Anton, you're broken. You're broken.
Anton's in another dimension.
He's being murdered by the back.
Who's the red guy?
You mean
What is your
man?
what is your fighting style?
I have an axe. I hit people with the axe.
That is the most barbarian answer. I have an axe. I hit people with this axe.
Amazing.
She would look over at the
I
bronze
look
knight.
shocked. I glare over at the blue broad. I glare back at my food.
Blue Broad! Excuse me, sir.
Across my entire body when it touches.
I want to
the
see this man drink milk.
Yes, yes.
You drink the milk, and as you drink it, your muscles start to, or your bones start to glow a bit. You feel extremely strong, Gundam.
I'm allergic to bullshit.
Chances are he merely told me that to draw attention away from his Gary creature.
Jerry!
We can.
Yeah,
Ashley doesn't. Ashley doesn't like demons. Why would she care?
Now,
God damn it.
since you seem
Yeah,
to be delving so
a little
deep
bit
with personal questions.
Goddamn dignity.
I forgot I was muted.
I forgot.
Yeah, he had the wine and the.
He had the wine and the turkey.
Isn't that cannibalism? Is that not just? Is that not cannibalism?
No, he's not. He's a crow, not a turkey.
I look up and I just kind of stare at her. You racist bitch.
Jerry. It's Jerry, as in Jerry Smith.
It's cool.
Okay. Respect Jerry.
Did I hear fuck Jerry?
No, he said
I'm sure-
respect Jerry.
I'm sure Anton has.
That's why she's
All
so
right.
rude to Jerry. Okay, now I understand.
Because he wants to fuck Jerry.
She wants to fuck Jerry. I got it. Okay. I understand your angle now, Jonathan. Don't
Hey, Anton.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
She wants the bone.
Do I dream?
Shut the fuck up.
You're a
I'm
skeleton.
asking because
You can look at my Gatling gun.
that means two
You
things.
don't want to look at any of your guns, Anton.
They're too small, don't worry.
Shut the fuck up, all of you.
Dig a hole in the
saying
ship.
Yes, we can turn the poop deck into.
Dig a hole. Make the poop deck the poop deck.
Okay. No, shut up, all of you. Stop being immature.
Hey.
All right.
Poop
No,
deck.
no. Just for my clarification, Gundam, how old are you?
Swear to
Oh,
God, if you
God.
mention anything of a tampon,
What?
I'm
I
a
don't
young
know
little
I'm
boy,
trying to figure
please.
out what you're hinting at.
Don't be womany, okay? Don't be like full on.
What- did
I'm
the-
a beautiful woman.
No, I am the most mature one here. Now I understand why.
Yeah, I'm a fucking child, dude.
I don't think they used tampons.
I
back
can
in the
barely
day anyway.
drive.
No, you
legally.
just bleed like a man back
No,
then.
I think it was like a
All right,
cloth or
I
anywho.
think it was just cotton rag.
Yeah.
Hence the term on the rag.
What if you put like a magic circle inside of you that collects the blood?
Gundam, shut up.
I'm trying to think
What
of
if
a
it's like a
fantasy
black
where they handle
hole?
this.
Having a demon prince on our side could definitely help out the kingdom.
It would not end well.
Yes, and spread the glorious name of our empire. And don't kill any elves. We're already in bad blood with the elves.
I like.
As soon as he says elves, I spit.
My man. I have more respect for you now, Crow. Now off you go!
Wow, the first time I've ever been on a ship or sky ship that hasn't ended horribly.
It's struck by lightning, everyone dies. No, I'm kidding.
Shut up.
Kind of like, holy shit, I just felt, that smells like shit. Like
Did
a
you-
whorehouse. And you
did
kind
you
of
all
just ignore
feel
the party
that?
magic.
I
Did you all feel
love that smell. The bird
I-
grew up in a whorehouse.
Try to rattle it, it's locked.
Okay, option 2, I want to smash this fucking door.
Iconically, bury the child.
Why are you
somewhere.
taking the body of a child, Gundam?
We could burn.
He's
the
gonna
building.
eat. He's gonna eat the bones.
Shut the fuck up.
Consume the bones. Gain the kid's power.
Yeah. Also, I want everyone to be on the lookout for wrath demons. They are black. They are red, like blood.
They're black.
If
I
you see
look at him. I look over at her. Are you racist?
Yeah.
against demons, yes. Pleasure demons only care about just that. Pleasure. Wrath.
Woo!
I'm gonna strangle you, Johnson.
What if I'm into that, Anton?
Well, then I'm gonna put a bullet in you.
What if I'm into
Joke's
that?
on you, I'm into that. Castaway.
Yes.
Roll sleight of hand.
Oh shit, you're fucked.
I rolled a nat 20, so it just doesn't work. He sees you trying to take it.
Damn, I drug him. I drug gunned him.
He's a skeleton.
You tried
Yeah,
to do
and?
what?
I
With
can
what?
just give
Magic.
you if you want.
Wait, hold on.
With
Yeah,
what
I'll just ask. I'll just ask.
Just ask and I'll give it to you on the sake of. I
As
don't
you go to
want
take it.
carry.
He sees you and you just go, can I have this?
Why are your hands in my coat?
Yeah, I just look at Gundam and I give him a wink.
Not fight two demon princes at once.
Time to TPK a party for Gundam's dumbass moves. Ourselves in that hell pit.
Okay. 4 limbs, a body, and a head. What's the 7th piece?
The body was cut into 2. The
Okay.
pelvis and the top.
Okay, the chest and the stomach. Got it.
Penis.
Yes. Penis.
No, that's what I was thinking of, and I wanted her to ask. So does that make you the dick? Stab you.
I'm gonna stab your mom.
She might like that.
Wait, what?
Asmodeus,
Wait, no, we're not passing. We're not continuing until you fucking explain yourself, sir. Excuse me?
shut up. Do you to say his name?
What name?
Why do you sound so sensual?
Because it's the embodiment of
Asmodeus.
love.
7 in the
There
Right.
are many
Is
names I
is
can
this how you
say.
talk to your girlfriend when you're alone?
No,
Yes.
shut
Yes,
up.
that's
up.
my headcanon now. Say it for daddy.
Come on, say it for
Bronze,
Daddy
bronze,
Asmodeus.
Bronze.
Now it's time for you to learn of our objective and who is among us on this world.
Among Us.
Among
Shut
us.
up! Shut up! For the love of God.
Just shut up, all of you. Just Johnson with like a fucking sword. Back off.
No, it's that scene in Kindergarten Cop. Shut up! Shut up! Anton,
Oh, I love our peeing on my phone.
stop!
They're back and forth. Just literally, this is like legit
I'm-
Catholic fan fiction.
No.
It might be.
You gonna run at
It
Satan?
might be really cool.
If you do this, Gundam, if you do that, Gundam, Ashley is leaving you behind.
It might be really cool. And look, chances are I'm about to
Wait,
get thrown out a window.
actually,
So you guys are gonna need to catch me.
Johnson.
All right?
All right,
no.
Gundam, you run in,
Can I
and you're gonna
activate-
try and attack Satan.
Can I get
And-
Crimson Right, Holy Right, and Blood Maledict?
It's all activated. You go, girl. You roll. You jump. And as you bring down your sword, you pierce his shoulder, sever his arm. He yells in astonishment. Ah! He starts laughing a bit.
And then he throws Gundam into the pillar.
You are a good fighter. We let you leave in peace. I would like my arm back, though.
Can I try and jump and grab the rope?
Roll acrobatics.
This can go really bad. Yeah.
You go to grab it, you slip, and fall and face plant.
That's a good way to end it.
You're still
Ashley just sighs. She climbs down the rope, ties him to it, and then just sails the airship away. So he's just dangling below the airship.